What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a mid fade on my boy Orlando, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and separating the top from the sides. Now that the hair is separated, we're going to go ahead and debulk with our 3 guard all the way open. We're going to use the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. Right above the 3 guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and use the 4 guard all the way open. Now that we have a nice silhouette, we're going to go ahead and grab more hair from the top and connect it to the side. Now that the hair is laid down, we're going to go ahead and use our clipper over comb method and debulk the sides. We're continuing to finish off our silhouette. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now that we're done creating our silhouette, we're going to go ahead and move on to our no guard all the way open and create our first guideline. Now right underneath the no guard all the way open, we're going to go ahead and bald out with our trimmers. We're using a little bit of a different method so we can keep the fade low. Using our lever midway and all the way closed will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we're going to go ahead and move on to our 1 guard all the way open. With this same guard, we're going to soften up the line and get ready for the half guard. Using the half guard, we're going to erase the line completely. Now that we're done detailing with the half guard, we're going to go ahead and move on to our 2 guard all the way open. Don't forget to feed the hair into the clipper with your comb. Using our 1.5 guard, we're going to go ahead and erase the line completely. Using the 3 guard all the way open, we're going to continue to blend into the bulk on the sides. Now that we're done with our guard work, we're going to go ahead and use the clipper over comb method and blend the bulk into the side. Now we're going to do some shear work on the top. We're going to create our first guideline down the middle and match the sides into the top. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to the hairline, we're going to use our Gold FX and start at the bottom of the C cup.